Sediment from project sites can enter stormwater drains, creeks and rivers, polluting our waterways. Here are some effective ways to control sediment erosion on site. Sediment control fences stop sediment being washed off site. The fence allows muddy water to pond behind it, trapping the sediment as the water slowly filters through. Now let me show you the correct way to build a sediment control fence. The sediment control fence should be positioned at the lowest point of the site, where runoff is most likely to occur. Dig a trench 150 millimeters deep across the direction of the runoff area. The fence can be constructed using steel star pickets or 38 millimeter wooden posts. Both of these must be 1500 millimeters long and driven 600 millimeters into the ground on the downslope side of the trench. Steel star pickets should be spaced no more than 2 meters apart, and wooden posts should be spaced closer at 1.2 meter intervals. Next, roll out a sufficient length of approved silt fence fabric along the fence line. Cable tie the fabric to the upslope side of each fence post, ensuring that the bottom of the trench is lined with the fabric. Backfill the trench to ground level to bury the bottom of the fabric and create a secure barrier. For added dust control, fabric can be laid over the stockpile. In addition to erecting a sediment control fence, another way to help prevent stockpile material and sediment from entering stormwater drains is to place silt socks around each drain inlet. Place the silk sock at a 45-degree angle from the front of the drain. The end of the silt sock should be placed tight up against the curb. It's important to inspect the silt socks daily to check for damage. Finally, on a regular basis, remove any buildup of material trapped by the silt sock. By being prepared and aware of your surroundings, you can protect our environment, your environment.